Now let's jump to the video. Get your favorite flat foundation brush and your favorite liquid foundation. Mine is from Maybelline Fit Me 120. I am using a fine nail art brush from OMG. I like these brushes because it's so fine. I can frame and do some detail work. What I'm doing right now is framing the crack where the alien makeup will come through. Using the PLouise Rumour shade 0, I'm going to prime my face. I'm using a dry sponge, by the way. Using a very small dome brush, I'm going to place my yellow neon color. This is a neon glow in the dark eyeshadow. Using a blending brush, let's outline the alien face using any green color that you have right now. Now let's go back to the nail art brush for us to outline the eyes of this alien. Now let's get a black face paint to cover the eyes. I know it's quite patchy, but I'm going to add black eyeshadow so that it will have that matte look and not shiny and patchy. And now let's set it. All cream and face paint must be set. You can use any loose powder that you have. And get a very small, precise dome brush. And now let's place the neon yellow all over the alien frame. Now this will serve as the color that will glow in the dark when you use UV lights and different purple and blue color. And another brush to define using a dark green neon eyeshadow. Get another flat nail art brush to add details. all the oily spots. And now grab your very fine nail art brush or any fine brush that you have, and now let's outline the crack. At this time, you need to have patience because you're going to form the cracks one by one. It doesn't have to be perfect at this time, at least you will have your outline. And now grab a short shader brush and let's add black eyeshadow inside the frame. Now this will add depth. And now grab your disposable lip brushes and remove the excess. Using a blending brush, grab a dark brown color and blend.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me.
White paint to add highlight on the alien's eye. Just small stars, some dots. Now grabbing the PLouise shade 0 or Rumour, we are going to bring forward the cracks. We're gonna outline outside the black area this white primer. is going to help to bring forward the crack by highlighting it. From afar, it will look like a really cracked skin. Don't be scared that it's too white at this time, because we will be adding a liquid foundation to blend into your skin. Grab the liquid foundation. And now the same outline, we are going to blend it so that it will be closer to your skin color. And this will bring out the crack effect on this makeup look. I am using a very flat edge shader brush. I know it's kind of tedious, but it's worth it. Now using a dry sponge, blend. Hope you like it. Till next time. Bye bye.